Hello, welcome to this video, Claus 7 Support. Your support includes resources, competence, awareness, communication, documented information. One of your support system is Claus 7.1 resources. Your organization must provide the resources needed for the establishment, implementation, maintenance, and continual improvement of the QMS. Clause 7.1 Resources. It is classified as people, infrastructure, environment for the operation of processes, monitoring and measuring resources, and organizational knowledge. Let's get to know your resources. These are the persons necessary for the effective implementation of your quality management system and for the operation and control of your processes. The people are the actors. They keep your organization building infrastructure. Your infrastructure is necessary for the operation of its processes and to achieve conformity of product and services. Your infrastructure can include your company's buildings and associated utilities, equipment, including hardware and software, transportation, resources, information and communication technology, environment for the operation of processes. A suitable environment can be a combination of human and physical factors. This is the context in which your operation can run smoothly. It includes what affects your people and the place where the operations are done. These factors in the person's country, depending on the product, services, infrastructure, and the culture. Monitoring and measuring resources. Monitoring and measuring your resources ensures valid and reliable result, who will then be able to verify the conformity of products and services to requirements that are established. Organizational knowledge is a knowledge specific to the organization. It is generally gained by experience. It is information that is used and shared to achieve the organization's objectives. Organizational knowledge is necessary for the operation of an organization's processes and to achieve conformity of products and services. This knowledge is made available to the extent necessary. This is also helpful when our organization is addressing changing needs and trends. The organization shall always consider its current knowledge and determine how to acquire or access any necessary additional knowledge and required updates. This is one way of ensuring that the organization is also constantly improving. It is abreast with the current trend and innovation. 7.2 Competence. It is not enough that an organization has all the resources needed to operate, but it must ensure that these resources are highly capable of fulfilling their assigned tasks to attain the intended results. The organization has to determine the necessary competence of persons doing work under its control that affect the performance and effectiveness of the QMS. Ensure that these persons are competent on the basis of appropriate education, training, or experience. It is also important that everyone in your company is aware of the organizational knowledge needed to get him aligned, so achieving those results Clause 7.3 Awareness. The organization shall ensure the persons doing work under the organization's control are aware of the following: the quality policy relevance, wanted the objective, the contribution, the effectiveness of the QMS, including the benefits of improved performance and the implication of not conforming with QMS requirements. Clause 7.4 Communication. Communication is a complex and difficult activity. Good communication can foster a sense of community team, bring it and a clear sense of purpose and direction. The organization must decide what, when, with whom, and how we will communicate, both internally and externally. Problem may arise due to incomplete, ambiguous, or inaccurate information being transmitted, transmission to the wrong person, too late, or the wrong time, use of inappropriate or unreliable media. In other sources, communication problems are probably the most common cause of quality management non-conformity. The organization shall determine the internal and external communication relevant to the quality management system. These includes on what it will communicate, when to communicate, with whom to communicate, how to communicate, and who will communicate. 7.5 Documented information. The new ISO 9001-2015 standards has removed the distinction between document and records. Both are now called documented information. As per ISO definition, the term documented information refers to information that must be controlled and maintained. It therefore expects that you also maintain and control the medium, as well as information. This documented information is used as evidence of conformance. Documented information required with a quality management system and by ISO 9001-2015 shall be controlled to ensure that it is available and suitable for use where and when it is needed, and it is adequately protected from loss of confidentiality, improper use for loss of integrity, documented information of external origin determined by the organization to be necessary for the planning and operation of the QMS will be identified as appropriate and be controlled. It is imperative that your process are well documented as evidence of conformance to ISO 9001-2015 and for future references in case there is change in management or employee. The normal of clause 7.4, please visit our platform. Thank you very much for watching this video, clause 7 support. We hope you liked it.